We begin this evening on the COVID-19 front and those third dose booster shots. President Biden received his Pfizer vaccine booster today while continuing to stress the importance of the COVID-19 vaccine.
Boosters are important, but the most important thing we need to do is get more people vaccinated. The vast majority of Americans are doing the right thing. Over 77% of adults have gotten at least one shot.
The president went on to say at least 23% of Americans have not gotten a vaccine. And the president receiving his third dose comes as a lot of Houstonians are also now eligible for a booster.
Hospitals like Memorial Hermann and Houston Methodist started administering third doses of the Pfizer vaccine today. Stephanie Whitfield explains who's eligible.
Booster shots are definitely in high demand. Houston Methodist administered more than 800 booster shots by 10:30 this morning.
President Joe Biden rolled up his sleeve to get the third dose of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. Hundreds of people in Houston already have two.
We open at 8 a.m. and so within a 2.5 period, we had vaccinated over 900 people total. Of that amount, 800 were third doses.
Houston Methodist and Memorial Hermann are seeing a rush of people wanting boosters, which were just authorized for certain high-risk groups Friday.
We've had a almost tripling of appointments this week as opposed to last week.
Only people who got the Pfizer vaccine can get a booster at the 6-month mark. The CDC separated eligible groups into two categories, those who should and those who may get boosters. Seniors 65 and up and people 50 and up with underlying medical conditions should get a third dose.
Hypertension, so elevated blood pressure, even if well controlled, we know that those folks are at increased risk. And another group is obesity.
People 18 and up with underlying health conditions and workers whose jobs put them at risk of getting the virus may get a third dose too.
The science on that last group is the weakest, and that's why it's cautioned that way. It says that they may get a booster.
Although demand is high, so is supply this time around. Those eligible can get Pfizer booster shots through hospitals or pharmacies like CVS and Walgreens.
Doctors say now is the time to get a flu shot, too. We're told this flu season could be a really bad one since a lot of people have returned to their pre-COVID lifestyles. But we're told you can get a flu and COVID vaccine at the same time. In the Texas Medical Center, Stephanie Whitfield, KHOU 11 News.
All right, thank you, Stephanie. Information about the vaccine constantly changing, so we are making it easier for you. All you have to do is save this number in your phone number, 713-526-1111. You can text various keywords to the number like vaccine and mask and testing, and you'll get updates right to your phone.